We're going on our camping trip. Heading out to Indiana to be specific. It's gonna be fun. It's really fucking hot, so we're all sweaty, all gross. Been showering, but we got our car packed. You know, got the Jeep cram pack full. We're ready to go here in a little bit. We're staying on a campground in Indiana, and it's a farmland. It's gonna be 18 to 28 acres. But yeah, it's gonna be really nice. It's fine, we're good. By the way, this was all a surprise that me and her did for him, so just want to put that in there. Alright guys, you see we got, I don't know if you can see them, got Dylan and Evie. They're right there. We made it to our camping destination.
Don't look at me like that.
Move the bag over. Don't break his laptop. He'll kill you.
Huh. Audio on?
Yeah.
Don't let her fool you. She likes that.
No, I don't. Don't hit me.
Who are you talking to?
No.
She sounds like Ashton, right? Or no, Hugo.
No, I don't.
That's something Hugo would say.
Stop.
I swear to God, where did you guys put it?
Really? Put what? What are you looking
My
for?
makeup.
Alright, so we made it.
Is my phone still up there?
Do we need this? You need this.
No.
Got here
Then don't leave it in here.
1:30 in the morning last night.
Roughly.
Roughly.
Hey,
Slept, woke up at 8. We
Oh.
went
What?
to Waffle
Are my
House.
keys up there?
Yes.
Got some good food.
Stop.
Then we drove to the quarry. You'll see a bunch of that footage. I called that shit. These are the pants. This is what Dylan's wearing to the water. He's got to have a fucking square dick for the rest of the day.
No, right here.
George, charge up the junk. Watch out for that tree. When he gets in his
All right, go. Good shit. All right, go. Yeah, you just do a backflip. Do a triple, quadruple, swanton backflip.
Are those mine?
Uptight. Yep. There you go.
Oh my gosh, he just flew.
All right, we literally been here for 5 minutes, and he's doing what Dylan does best. That is the dirtiest shit I have ever seen.
It's in my pocket.
All right, so put it right up here, and I'll park over here. Okay? There's 2 people sitting there.
I was gonna do it. I was gonna drop it out of the door and we just drive off that way.
Oh, okay, cool. You got the light? Snake. Is it lit? Nope. Here.
Oh my God.
Oh shit! Oh! It's over.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Alright, go. Oh shit!
And let's go to that sign.
All the way. This is stupid. Why did I catch him? Oh my God. Oh my.
Get that bitch on. Oh shit! Oh, damn.
Oh shit!
Use the second or third lane from left to keep left onto I-65 South.
Come on, focus, you fucking rat bastard. There we go.
Oh, that's a big one.
We're in Indy. Tiger Woods here for the old bouncer. Oh, shit. I thought we were dead. Oh my god, this shit looks insane. Wow. KFC Center?
Yep. KFC Yum Center.
That shit looks amazing. Way better than Indy.
Oh yeah.
It is what we call the zip to hell.
Oh okay. No, it's not bunny.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, this is real fire and lava. It just looks like Christmas lights to make it fun.
Oh.
So, when this picture was taken, the only person who was in this area at that time was the cameraman himself. If you guys do want to take a closer look, people do argue and debate about whether this is either a calcium deposit reflected on the light of the camera, or whether this is the spirit of a Native American princess that lived down here.
I want to believe that one.
Along with your family. And with that being said, sir, please, with the mannequin. I was like, oh, I see you noticed Jason. So he decided to mouth off.